Civil authorities in your area have issued a civil danger warning. Until midnight, moments ago, the United States Capitol building was attacked by Republican supporters. Take immediate action now. Lock and secure all entrances to your home. If a riot or attempt to enter your home, use all means necessary to stop them from entering your home. Stay tuned into media outlets as this crisis continues.
What you are looking at is the situation inside the Capitol. 3 people have already been reported dead. The National Guard has not been mobilized as President Donald Trump has vetoed the decision. Donald Trump has delayed his
Today is the day of the new republic. I encourage all of you to pick up your arms.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of your local authorities. President Donald Trump has staged a coup against the United States of America and has started parading in the Washington area. If you live in the Washington, D.C. area, go into hiding. Bring all the necessary items for you and your family to seek shelter.
Start making a list, put all those names down, and we start hunting them down one by one.
Republican supporters have declared a new nation as the Republic of Freedom, and have placed President Donald Trump as their leader. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States Armed Forces. Residents living in Arlington, please leave and evacuate your homes. The United States military is blocking all routes into and out of the city in 12 hours.
Squad 8 reporting in. Do you copy? Are you really going to sit around and let those filthy Democrats allow you from casting your vote? What do you mean? I bet 9 out of 10 you voted for Trump. I didn't. Well, then you just join our rebellion and get your wish.
Mrs. President, most of our armed forces have deserted and joined the rebellion. This is a very high level of treason. Mrs. President, the choice is yours. Stay at the deadlock we are in, or attempt to advance further into Washington.
Civil authorities in your area have issued a civil danger warning at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The United States Armed Forces issued a battle with rebellious traitors. If you live in the Washington, D.C. area, please remain calm. Lock and secure all entrances to your home. Seal all cracks with tape or damp cloths. Go into an underground level or the most center area of your home. Bring non-perishable food, water, a battery-powered hand-cranked radio. Should a soldier attempt to enter your home, deny all access as this is a violation to your Third Amendment rights. Do not leave your home. An ongoing battle is going on. Tune into media outlets for more information about this ongoing conflict.
Message has been transmitted at the request of the Emergency Management Agency. Residents of New York City, seek shelter now. Freedom troops are going door to door capturing the people of the city. If you are able, defend you and your family at all cost. To ensure your survival, this broadcast will now silence. Follow the instructions in screen now.
I need you. I need you every single day and I want you. I want you every single way and I need you.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the White House. Moments ago, radar detected 10 missiles heading for American cities. These missiles are confirmed to contain nuclear warheads. Fallout will be rampant once these missiles impact. Areas that will be hit are New York City, New York, Columbus, Ohio, Dallas, Texas, Seattle, Washington, Los Angeles, California, Detroit, Michigan, Minneapolis, Minnesota, Denver, Colorado, Flagstaff, Arizona, and St. Louis, Missouri. All residents living in a 15-mile radius of these cities are to seek a place of shelter now. Seal and close all entrances to your home with tape and cloths. Bring food, water and a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio. These missiles are expected to reach their targets in 5 to 10 minutes. Do not evacuate. You will be putting yourself in danger. we will strike back harder on the Freedom Army. Sad to announce that the future of the United States is unclear. The North American continent is under heavy fallout and the nuclear age is expected to last for at least 5 years. In these times, the United States government will no longer be able to support you. The United States has collapsed. President Joe Biden is dead. Donald Trump is dead. And American society has collapsed. It is suggested that you move to a rural area in your state, where you can grow frost-repentant crops. The Republic of Freedom is dead, and so is the United States. We are sad that it has come to this. But with the current crisis, we cannot support anyone at the moment.